welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you how to sync your Facebook profile on Android device. For that, you need to open the settings on your Android device. Then when you get access to settings page, scroll down and tap on users and accounts. Here, you need to tap on add account option. Now you need to choose Facebook on this page. Now you can simply log into your Facebook account, or you can also log into another account. Let's tap on login. So once you log into your Facebook account, go back to the settings again and go to users and accounts. Here you can see that Facebook has appeared on this accounts page. So simply tap on Facebook. And now tap on three dotted line at the upper right corner. Now simply tap on sync now. So your Facebook profile has already been synced on Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. Thank you for watching.